Well, welcome back to Dans la vie de Lolo et Mimi. The name of our channel, Dans la vie de Lolo et Mimi. For today's video, I will be sharing to you how I made my chipotle-inspired burrito. Before anything else, you have to prepare the palaman or the filling ahead of time so that you're not rushed. It's better if you prepare it like a day before. What is actually inside burrito? So in my burrito, of course, basically there was rice, meat, veggies, and the sauce or the cream. Like this, marinated chicken or embutido plus red beans. Yum. For veggies or salsa, I had salsa fresca and corn salsa. Guacamole plus sour cream plus whole wheat or multigrain wrap. I will put the link down below in the description box on how to do those filling. But for now, let's assemble the burrito. First, I'm putting rice here in my wrap. I'm using what is this? Whole wheat wrap for this, and I'm now putting the embutido filling. So I'm not using the marinated chicken this time. I'm putting the embutido. By the way, if you wish to use the marinated chicken, make sure you shred it. It would be a lot easier to eat and to fit in the wrap, inside the wrap. And there, now we have the rice and the meat, the embutido. Next, we're putting the beans, the red beans, or chile con carne. It kind of tasted like that. Voila. So now I have rice, embutido, and the red beans. Now I'm gonna put my salsa. This time I choose my corn salsa, and I'm gonna add that here. The guacamole, and my sour cream. Don't put a lot. Maybe it's a bit too sour. And of course, do not forget the cheddar cheese. Yum. Voila. You can have the meat and the rice hot. When you serve it, make sure it's hot. But if you wish to do it before, like ahead of time, like a day before, just microwave it after. It's okay. And now normally you wrap it in the middle like that. I wish I had put the stuffing in the middle, but as you can see, no, it's not balanced. It's not at the center. So yeah, you cover it like that. Take the right side and fold it to close it, and the left side too, and roll it like that. Ta-da! Now you have your burrito. burrito for lunch or dinner, for baon, or for picnics. Wow. Yay. And it really tasted good. Honestly, it was so good. There we go. You can also wrap it in aluminum foil like this and put it in the fridge and eat it later, maybe tomorrow after 2 days. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.